Alrighty. Hit that one a little late. Alright. Oh, thank goodness this day is over. Big ugly part all done, just needs to be offloaded and put waiting for paint. Of course, the part with the most absolute weld of this thing lasts like hour of the shift, the hottest part of the day. That's okay, tomorrow's easy. It's not going to be any cooler, but the good news is it's all TIG work. Worst comes to worst, I can use some sunscreen and just TIG away. So, easy day. I can wear one of my light work shirts. Stay. So, yep. Ought to be a nice, easy day. Let's go get some gas, fire up the barbecue, reheat some chicken, and maybe use it for tacos. Tacos sound good. Yeah, fuck it, I'm going. I'll put this puppy down a little bit. Might get some wind noise on the mic, I don't know. This morning wasn't a stellar start though. There's nothing like waking up and going, why am I not hearing my alarm? Phone didn't charge. I woke up about 5 minutes after I normally leave. So yeah, things were a bit hurried this morning. But got to work just fine. The funny thing is, it's funny how these things work out. My co-workers, who are always usually a little late, the company doesn't seem to mind. I just shrug my shoulders and go, it's not my paycheck, I'm fine. Well, both of them were on time, waiting for me. Horrible feeling. Alright. Duck walk it forward. There's no pedestrians, Fifi. We're going to hope you actually turn. Get some gasoline. Because she's going to start complaining. I don't like when she complains about wanting gas. Yep, there she goes. She's complaining already. But she knows she's getting gas, so life is good. So I really hope some of that new camera footage I got gets posted up. I don't think it's long format worthy, but hey, a little quick short here or there. Or maybe cutting it into another video. We'll see. We'll see what Mama does with it. Jesus. A little bit of lag in that initial tip in. Man, this throttle is so touchy in first gear at low speed. And hopefully today everybody has their happy butt at the river or somewhere else, not on the roads. Up at the lakes, out camping, doing something funner than what I'm doing. Hee clipped it. I love in the instruction manual they say, hey, get off your bike. Nah. Okay. Alright, the nice thing about having a full tank of gas is it's cold and it's right on my inner thighs and it feels good in this weather. Okay. I don't know what you're doing. I don't care either. As long as you're out of my way. Oh no, right lane, right turn lane or left turn lane? They're both left turns, but should I be in the right one or the left one? Decisions. Watch out, RAV4 can't decide to stay on his side of the white line. So let's hope these people decide to stay in their lane. Otherwise we could have a slight problemo. It would help if they repainted the turn lane lines for those of us that need the assistance of a line to follow. Nice, looks pretty clear. See here, dude creeped forward. What a creeper. Well, that's there went the cam. Oh well. Woohoo. Enjoy the view of my chest. It's not much of a view, honestly. I really should pull over and take it off. Woo! Looky! Find a decent spot. Probably pull over right before 84 and after that construction zone. See if I can't find a non-janky spot.